Okay, so you apply melted butter on your bread. You see what happened here? The bread sank down when I was trying to bring it out from the pan. So just ignore it. If you're careful enough, that will not happen to your bread. Okay, so you have to be careful when you're pulling it out from the pan. This bread was inserted into a preheated oven and was allowed into the oven for 22 minutes precisely. So if you want yours to be more browned than this, you can allow it for 25 minutes, okay, on a medium heat, not too low, not high. All right, so I'll go ahead and test this bread for us. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to our channel for more updates.